Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions, and in this micro tutorial we're going to add some cherry blossoms from the LSP Blossoms Cherry and Apple Botanical Pack, available on the LSP Actions website. For the full tutorial, downloading, installing, getting the actions set up, you can watch the main tutorial. This is just a supplementary tutorial to give you an example of what you can do. I'm going to use the actions to apply the blossoms. I'm going to use pink cherry blossoms for this one. So you need to locate your extracted blossom overlays. I'm just going to view these a little larger. So let's decide which one to add to this image and then we can blend and tone. How about this blossom image here? Now what we're going to really want to be able to do with this one is to blur it in the foreground and add some masking. So that's added in. I'm going to use blur paint, you choose, and just really blur this in. Okay. Now we want to tone with the really deep pinks in this image. So I'm going to add darken down, contrast pop, and tone pinker. Contrast, I'm just going to bring that right up, darken down. So these are all layers that you can edit a little bit yourself. And bring the pinky tone up. Okay, let's add another one. Let's add something in the foreground a little bit more. How about Blossom Side 5? And at any point, if you're unsure of what I'm doing here, what I'm going to do is drag that down underneath our original blurred one. You can watch the video tutorials which show you exactly how to kind of get started with these. Add these ones in, and again I'm going to use the pinker tone. Turn that up a little bit, just so that matches a bit more with our scene. Let's add one more using the actions. You can also drag and drop these. It depends, what you prefer to do, what you're most comfortable doing in Photoshop. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting using the actions because these are really going to help you when it comes to applying correctly into your image. And again, I'm toning up pinker and turning it right up to match this scene. Perhaps a little bit of lavender toning, going to take that down, contrast pop. And at any point, you can click in this these sections that you've added, and you can come onto the adjustments, and you can add something yourself. For example, here I've just added layers in to bring the darks down a little bit, levels layer, and I think I'm going to take lavender toning off because it works better with this image. So let's go for one more right at the top, and let's add some petals. Pink blossom petals. Because if you've got blossoms, you really want to be able to add falling petals as well. It's kind of part of the charm and the joy of blossoms. Let's add another one. Just resizing on the bounding box here. Beautiful. And then I'm going to finish off with the pink blossom wash, which affects your whole image. Really, really gorgeous. You have all different washes for the different florals included in these Photoshop actions. So I'm going to play the pink blossom wash. And I'm going to turn this up on the opacity. And using the black brush that's already selected for you, I'm just going to dab this off our subjects just a little. You see it's added that beautiful pink toning to the whole image. So we have before and after. Really adding in some blossoms to that scene. And you can find these over on the LSP Actions website. You can also find the tutorials under the video tutorial section to watch all the micro tutorials for these botanicals and florals. Depending on which set you've got, all the tutorials are in there. So I hope you love them. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.